Welcome to yet another video, and today what I have for us today is a very small thing that I found on the market, and I said let me go and try it out. I've never tried it out. I want us to test it from here, and we shall see how it sounds live. I will tell you, I've never tested it out. It's a small microphone, wireless microphone, and it's called, because I don't know if I can have it here, it's K35. Yes, that's what they call it, K35 wireless microphone. They say it's if you can see here, how can I show it very well? Okay, they say it's for live shows. If you can see here, interviews, vlog shots. Okay, I guess my focus, anyway, but that's what you can use it for. And it's a plug and play. It's okay, where's my focus? It's a plug and play, and yes, I can it's a plug and play. You have precise audio. All those are some of the features, the way you're seeing them on it. But yes, ideally that's what I have for us today. I'm going to open it here and we shall see. What another thing I have is the zero sound. Can you guys see it? Yes or no? Let me try to see if I can get the focus clear. Okay, yes, that's the zero sound. It's a sound interface, or some will call them sound cards, and it has multiple inputs. It has this microphone input. It has two XLR mic inputs, and also it has this quarter pin mic input, if you can see it, and then these RCA or banana pins output, and also it has, this is the power cable. This thing charges, and this is the output. You output sound through this USB port, but also behind here, let me see if I can have it for us here clearly. If you look very well keenly, you see it has the headphone monitoring jack, and then the aux. This is, you can input also here, and also can output from here. So these are just the knobs. It has inbuilt effects. If you look here, inbuilt effects on, you can, whenever you want the effect, you press this button. So this is just a sound interface or sound card, like the way you would call it. So I'm going to use it so that I can be able to pass through this receiver you're seeing here into this particular port. I will pass through this 3.5mm jack, and then we shall see how it sounds. So right now I'm using my phone directly to do the sound. We shall hear how it sounds when we use this thing in a meantime. Anyways, so that's what I have for us here today. I'm going to unpack this and we see what comes in the box. Maybe I'll take this first off, like here, and then I'll unpack this here for us to see what comes in the box. It's not very hard to unpack. Just tear off the plastic peel. So throw it in the dustbin, and ideally you pull out this, pull it out like this, and you see what is inside. So that's what is inside. I've just bought it. I've never used it before. I want us to hear how it sounds. So in the box you have a pair of wireless microphones, if you can see them. That's how they look. They have clip-ons. This one you're able to clip on, maybe the collar of the person. They are rechargeable. You can see the charging port. See if I can get the focus for you guys clearly. Okay, And see, this is the charging port. Yes, there. So that's where you charge it from. Yes, and has a power button. You power it on from here. It's the same as this. So those are that's the pair of the wireless microphones there. And then it also has a receiver, as per se. This is what you plug on the other side of the device. For example, phone. Okay, can you guys see it? Yes, plug in like a phone, the 3.5mm jack. Okay, yes, can you guys see it? Yes, there. So this is the pin. It also has a power button inside the peel. Maybe I'll take off the peel. So you see it has a power button. So we are there going to just test it and we see how it sounds. So that's what comes in the box. You have these two microphones. Okay, like that, a pair. And then you have this. So we are going to try them out, and of course there's also this part. I don't know what's here, let me check. So in this part, in this part, it's a small box. Let's open and we see. So inside you find, I think, a cable, power cable. Yes, it's a type C power cable. Call it any. See that? For charging either of these things, you can charge this one through this. Come on, guys. Okay, I don't know why the thing is not okay. Yeah, it has fitting. So that is it. Put it like that, and then you power it, maybe your laptop or power. So I'll take these boxes out of the space. So I will have our things that come in the box. So ideally, that's what I had for us here today. We shall hear how it sounds in the meantime. So these are the things that you find in the box. So this one in particular, the receiver, if you can see it very well. I don't know. Yes. Okay. Where is the focus? Okay. You can see it. So that is what we are going to plug in here. Hopefully it will work. We're going to just plug it in here. Guys, can you see? I'm going to plug it in here like that, and then we shall power it. So this one is charged from this part. Charge it from here. So that's what we are going to do, and test and see how it sounds in the meantime. So let's see. So I've already plugged. I'll not show you how I will plug it again. So but I plug it there, and then I'll pick, for the case of the phone, I'll pick the sound from here, I guess. Then we shall hear how it sounds in the phone. So like I say, yeah, I have managed to connect. I guess you can hear how it sounds. I'm going to show you guys in the meantime my side where I have put it so far now, and we shall you will judge. You give me the comments concerning the peak outs, like how far. So you can see I have it on my collar. It's a bit down, and yeah, it works fairly good. So I think I would give it a 6 or a 7 for vlogs. So try it out, find out how it works. This is it. So